So clearly not dressed in work clothing.
I am.
I know you are, but I was doing
With
my
a
real...
hat today because I didn't.
I was doing my real job today. I was in the studio voiceovering all sorts of fun stuff. So here we are at the house. Let's see what gives. I haven't been here in 48 hours.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
There's walls that are gone, Pat.
Yeah, and there's like big holes in the floor right here where the bathroom was.
Wait.
Tear all this out to get the tub out.
Oh, can we just look at that? That was the bathroom.
Yeah. So, and then this is where the water heater was at. It's just about as bad over here.
Wait, this is the kitchen area. Okay, so this is where I saw a mouse 2 days ago.
There's a few of those.
Holy
That's
crap.
for sure.
Okay, so that's where the water heater was?
Yeah.
And,
Yeah, it was leaking.
okay, so there's a lot of work to do.
A lot going on here.
Yeah, this is, we can basically see through the whole house if you do a pan around.
Yeah.
That's amazing. You know, though, I look at it and there's so much possibility here.
Oh, I've already thought
right?
about all that. We need to have a sit down about all that.
I can't wait. That's exciting.
Yeah.
Yay. Okay, so what do you have to say about this floor? Because this floor.
So this floor was laid over the original floor, which is the 1950 floor. I want to get back to this and refinish it because this is some really good stuff.
Oh, that'd be
and
amazing.
It's under here.
Okay.
It's in every bedroom, and they redid this part. So I want to get back down to that and redo that.
Let's go. So we have to take, like, this looks like it's an overlay as well, right?
Yeah, it's some type of like a stick back tile.
Yeah.
And I don't really know why that was put in here, but it's all
But
going
we
to come
can
up.
take all of that up, right?
Yes. Mm-hmm.
There's so much possibility here, Pat.
I got it. I already been thinking a lot about it.
This is going to be amazing. But look, I'm literally standing at the end of the house right here. There's probably mice in this wall right there.
The mice thing. Okay, go ahead.
I have a real issue with mice. I'm not gonna...
Stomp them out. They come at you.
Oh, God. You can see the whole house, like, through this. Look at this. All the walls are gone. There's so much possibility. This is really exciting. And you know what's even more exciting?
Well, you're in the wrong way. This, what?
We're not living in this house while we're redoing it.
We're not. No, but I can walk away, which I'm about to, because this is all I'm doing today.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
So this is another thing. So the master, if you look over here, little bitty closet for that bedroom and a little bitty closet for the master. That doesn't work. So I'm going to take this wall out and make all of this a closet for that. And then for the master, build out and over and put a new bath and a new closet in the addition part back here.
Ooh, I like that.
So, but it also gives me a place to put this really outdated electrical in that part.
Wait.
Because that's all got to be redone.
Let's
This is
talk
all
about this.
fused and everything really kind of...
Has anybody at home seen this? Like, this is such a dated
No,
thing.
but look how many times it was added onto. So it had a main, and every time they had to add power, they just kept
Just
adding
add
a
another
box.
box?
Yeah, so
Wow.
but that's way outdated, so that's got to go.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm just...
Don't fall in the hole. The hole. It's a hole there.
God.
Just kind of got to pay attention. And that's how, that's why workers' comp is so high on construction. You realize that because people fall in places like that because they're not paying attention. Yeah.
Maybe I was watching for mice because I saw one in here.
Nice thing.
I'm just...
Stomp them out. Okay.